Hey everybody, Heather from Pickin. I have got 2 boxes of awesome stuff that we're going to unbox today and see what exactly is inside, and it's all going to be available on Pickin. So let's check them out.
You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below.
All right. Tall box, short box, tall box, short box. Let's go with the tall box because this one's kind of wrapped kind of funky with all these straps. They're both extremely heavy. So we'll have to see exactly what's inside. Now it looks like a spider, doesn't it? Anyway, let's see what's inside these boxes. This box here. Really hope it's a refill for something I've been missing. Oh man, this I am so excited to see because these sold out in an hour on my store. Wonder if the whole box is it. Yeah, this is a whole box of them. This is what they are. Leather cross journals. See what they look like?
Can you put it up on that box over there?
Sure. Yeah. So it's like that. And then it has like the uneven kind of
almost parchment paper.
Yeah, it's not smooth, but you can write on it.
Oh yeah.
And then it just folds down like this. And this is actual genuine leather. And you're able to clasp it like this and keep it closed. And look how thick it is.
Show the binding.
Look at that.
That is cool.
And then this is what the back looks like. Aren't those neat?
Those are neat.
So these are super duper, I'm trying to remember, 20 bucks. 20 bucks on Hometown Pickin. So they sold out like hotcakes. So if you want them, you better buy them now. Because they did. They sold so fast.
Yep.
We bought 24 more.
I think I bought 6 originally, and you're right. They were gone within an hour.
Yeah. Yep.
So
and now we're putting them on the store. So check. Go ahead and check these. They're called leather journals, cross leather journals. And so we have 24 of them in this box. I think that's it. That's in that box. And then let's go ahead and open this. Oh my goodness, this is so heavy. I barely can move it. So here's our little
I think it's
here.
because of maybe Christmas. Oh, we're selling a lot of knives lately.
We are selling a lot of knives, yes. And that's what we got in here is we reordered some. And we have to see. We've been sold out of quite a few different styles for a while. And so I'm hoping that we are got some more to refill. Oh, yes. Okay, so these are ones that we were almost sold out of. These are little arrows. So they're little throwing knives, actually. They are very sharp. They come with their own little case. They're called little arrows. And see, it comes with 3 little very sharp throwing knives. And it's little case that they go in. So this is kind of a nice, fun gift.
It's kind of a fun little stocking stuffer if you think about it.
It is, yeah.
Just to goof around with probably Christmas morning.
Yeah. And they do that. We've thrown them at the wooden pallets before that we've gotten, and they work really well for that. So a bunch of those little arrows. Try to get all those out. We tried to order a bunch because they've been really popular lately, and we want to make sure they're in stock, especially for this holiday season. All right, so I think that's it for the little arrows. What's in these? I can't remember. These might be a new one. We do sometimes occasionally order new stuff for the store. Oh, these are super popular. Comes with a little gift tin. These are very inexpensive. Don't tread on me. And it's a foldable knife. So it comes like that. Let me go ahead and pull it out.
Yeah, I'm having a hard time keeping this in stock too.
So it goes like that, and it's got a sharp blade on it. And
It's the reverse, yeah. Same.
Yep.
Don't tread on me.
Yep. So it comes with a neat gift box, all wrapped up, very secure, and a little tin that it comes in, which is really
perfect for Christmas.
Pretty neat, yeah.
I think we had a gun club look at it too.
Oh, did we?
Yep. They're seeing how many we could get.
We've got all of these. Those are all the don't tread on me's. Okay, very good. And then we have, what is in these? I think these are our farmer's toothpicks. Nope. This is a different box than what they normally come in.
I can't remember what that
I
is.
can't remember what this is either. Are these more of them? Let me check the number on the box. Yeah, these are more of the don't tread on me's. There's 6 more in each one of those boxes. Okay. And then this is, what is this one? These might be our farmer toothpicks. We'll see. Yeah, these are our farmer's toothpicks. I love these. These are my favorites. Look at these. They're so cute. They are foldable knives, so they do fold down. Look at the cute green handle. And then on the blade, it actually says farmer toothpick. These are only selling for $5 a piece. So we got a really good deal from our wholesaler to be able to offer them to you. I mean, we don't make a ton of money on them, but we wanted to offer them really, really discounted. So these are a perfect gift.
They are very sharp, though.
They are extremely sharp. So we've got, 2 boxes of those. I think these are all farmer's toothpicks. Yes, that's a farmer's toothpick. This one is a farmer's toothpick. They have the same number on the side of the box. More farmer's toothpicks. Okay. What is this? That's heavy. Not sure how I want to open this box here. Can you see good? Oh, yes. These are awesome. Eagle claw folding knives. Let me get one out of the box here. You can really see what it looks like. Aren't those amazing? That's what it looks like. And then, when you fold the blade out, that's what it looks like.
Neat.
Try not to cut myself.
Do you have a phone number written on your hand?
No, I have, there were 2 kids at Awana last night that got awards, and I didn't have a piece of paper. so I wouldn't forget their names. I wrote them on my hand, yes.
That's awesome.
Yeah, that's my notepad. Is my
She's a
hand.
true Awana commander.
Yep. So those are eagle claw folding knives. These are, something different. I have the blade out so far. There we go. Oh, these were really, really going fast. These are a multifunctional tool, kind of like a Swiss Army knife, but this one's a stainless steel version. It has all these different things in it.
I think there's 13.
Yeah, 13 different things. And it shows you on my listing all the different things it does. But we have a wooden version and a stainless steel version. And this is the stainless steel version.
Yeah, that's the one that's going the quickest.
Yeah.
The wood one sells too, but this one,
it's
hard to keep it in stock.
So there's a bunch of those. Let me see. This box is the same thing. And what else we got in here? Let's find out what's in these big boxes. I think these are our... There's some cool gift box ones. I don't remember which animals we were almost out of, though. Alright, this one is... Yeah, these are really nice, really nice. These are great gift ideas because they come with this cool wooden box. This is the... Okay, so this one we call the Mad Eagle, or the
Mad Eagle.
Well, the American Eagle, I think, is what it's listed on our store. Let's see how you can.
That's an awesome look.
You just put it in there just like that.
Boom.
I think it's cool. I'll put it back in there so it's secure and perfect for the buyer. But yeah, those are neat, and it has the eagle on the back side as well. That's a cool one. So we have the eagle that we replenished because we were almost out of those. Those seem to sell fast. That's that box. Let's see if this one is the same one. Yeah, this is the exact same box. Then we have this in the bottom. This might be the same as the silver one, but the wooden version. Yes. So here is the wooden version of that same kind of Swiss Army knife look. I'm trying to get it open without ruining the box. I don't know if I can. Can't get into it without ripping the box, and I don't want to rip the box. Do we have one that's already open back here?
I don't think so.
Can't get it without ripping the box.
Yep. It's pretty much the exact same one as the stainless steel, but it just says wood.
Yeah. I don't
wood on the sides and the actual blades itself.
This one's the same. And then this big old box here. Let me move this big box out of the way. I'll set it here. Oh, I'm so glad we got these. If they're the ones I think they are. Look at those. So these are American flag knives. They're not foldable, but look at that.
America.
Yep. These have been selling like crazy.
It's a good brand too.
Mm-hmm.
Right edge.
Yep. So they go right in the sheath. Hold it. I'm trying not to cut myself because they are extremely sharp.
They are sharp.
But these are great gift ideas for the person that you don't really know what to get them. Get them a knife. So, those of you who have been on the hunt for the things that we sold out of, well, guess what? They're back in stock. I know those journals were a big, hot, popular topic. So make sure you go to hookedonpickin.com, just like that, behind me, no G on the end, and you'll be able to find all of these items for sale right this second. So get them while they're hot. Don't wait till the sale happens or anything like that, or later, or think about it, because they do sell out super duper fast. So I would suggest going to hookedonpickin.com, checking them out, and hopefully it's been fun to see what is new in stock on hookedonpickin.com. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins.
If you love the content that I give, you can support me on Patreon. Just follow the link in the description below, and I will offer you lots of exclusive things. You can be in the Hooked on Pickin' Coffee Club, have your Naven Lights, be in the Hooked on Pickin' Reseller Club, or the Reseller Pro Club. You get different perks for each club. So if you'd like to support me in my channel, please head on over to my Patreon account and start supporting. Thanks! Hey, thanks for watching. If you're not yet a subscriber, go ahead and subscribe to the Hooked on Pickin' YouTube channel. Also, I have these awesome nativities. They're 3D nativities. They're made with poplar wood and stained with walnut, made by my father-in-law. All the pieces do come apart. And so if you have a toddler that likes to play with stuff, that's okay. But it's a gorgeous nativity. We only have a limited amount in stock, and we won't have any more in stock once they're sold out. So I would suggest, if you get the opportunity, go ahead and go to hookedonpickin.com, buy these so that you can have a fun, beautiful piece to sit on your coffee table that won't get broken by kids. This is something they can actually take apart, play with. It's like a puzzle. It's really, really a beautiful piece. So I would suggest definitely getting some if you don't have one yet.